Hey friends, so in this video I will teach you that how to make masjid floor design. So you can capture an image, a photo of your prayer mat, or we say in Urdu Jai Namaz. So you can find at your home, so you can capture an image and you can upload the file here, like see this one. So let me show you what exactly I uploaded. So you can see this I uploaded. So in the prompt box you can type here like remove the background of this uploaded image and use it as a repeated floor pattern for the floor of masjid. And you can select here the tools Nano Banana, create image, and just press enter or click submit. And you can see like the Nano Banana Pro will create the masjid floor design by using this pattern, the prayer mat pattern that we just uploaded as a reference. So let's wait and see what Nano Banana Pro will make. And see, it looks incredible. See the design, you can see here, amazing. You can see the walls of the masjid. And one time more, if we try a new chat and upload files and floor design, and this time I will type like remove background of this image and use it as a repeated floor pattern for masjid floor. So let's try once again. So the first, it's also good. See, it looks amazing. The pattern we can see now here, and you can see it's 3D. See, so you can try 1 or 2 or 3 times, so you can get different results. See, this one is also amazing. See, it looks, see, beautiful. How the floor design now is following the prayer mat that we uploaded as a reference. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, like how to make masjid floor design, and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.